Is it the right time to buy or sell Palantir stock? In this video, we'll delve deep into Palantir. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, January 3, 2024, and today we'll be providing you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any important updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying out our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of artificial intelligence and get free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. On December 6, 2023, our system identified Palantir as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -2.21. Now, let's delve into the stock's performance during this particular period. The stock faced a loss of -6.07%. This equates to an average daily loss of -0.32% since it was labeled as a sell candidate. The stock is currently in a wide and weak rising trend in the short term. However, this can present a great buying opportunity. If the stock price falls below $15.58, it may indicate a slower rate of rising and could be a sign of a potential trend shift. Looking at the 3-month trend, there is a possibility of a 6.09% change over the next 3 months. This means there is a potential return ranging from 2.76% to 44.60%. In terms of the 12-month trend, there is a projected 141.96% change over the next year. This could result in a potential return between 141.96% and 244.35%. In other words, the stock price could range from $38.93 to $55.41 after a year. Our latest update for Palantir brings you the headline: Palantir stock price down 2.96% on Wednesday. On the last day, which was Wednesday, the 3rd of January 2024, the Palantir stock price experienced a decline of 2.96%. It went from $16.58 to $16.09. This marks the third consecutive day of decline. Throughout the trading day, the stock price fluctuated by 2.31%, reaching a low of $16.01 and a high of $16.38. In the past 10 days, the stock price has fallen in 6 of them, resulting in a total decrease of 9.81%. On the last day, there was an increase in trading volume of 5 million shares, even though the prices were falling. This could be seen as an early warning sign, indicating a slightly higher risk over the next few days. In total, approximately $714.81 million worth of shares were bought and sold, with a total of 44 million shares exchanged. Looking at the past 52 weeks, we can see that the highest stock price reached $21.85, while the lowest price was $5.84. Currently, the price is 26.36% or $5.76 below the 52-week high. It is also 64.24% or $28.91 below the all-time high, which was on January 27, 2021, when the price reached $45. Today, we'll be discussing the latest analyst ratings for Palantir Technologies, ticker symbol PLTR. On Friday, November 3, 2023, Wedbush gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. Moving on to Tuesday, September 19, 2023, Wedbush also gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. Let's now talk about Thursday, August 31, 2023. On this day, Morgan Stanley gave PLTR an underweight grade with a downgrade action. Switching gears to Tuesday, August 8, 2023, Wedbush once again gave PLTR an outperform grade with a hold action. Lastly, on the same day, August 8, 2023, Goldman Sachs rated PLTR as neutral with a hold action. Analysts have given a general buy rating to Palantir stock. They rate the PE ratio as a strong buy and the price to book as strong buy. The stock receives a neutral rating for return on investment, according to the analysts. Here are the key signals for Palantir. Additionally, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, indicates a buy signal. However, there are also some negative signals that could potentially impact the stock in the near short term. Both short and long-term moving averages suggest sell signals, leading to a more negative forecast for Palantir's stock. Furthermore, the relation between the two signals indicates a general sell signal, with the long-term average above the short-term average. In case of corrections upwards, there will be resistance at $17.14 and $18.51. Breaking above these levels would trigger buy signals. On Monday, November 20, 2023, a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point, resulting in a decline of -24.60% so far. It is likely to continue falling until a new bottom pivot is identified. Yesterday, volume increased as prices fell, which could be an early warning sign that requires closer monitoring of the stock. Let's explore some other signals that may pique your interest. First, we have the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently giving a buy signal. Next, we have the pivots indicator, which gave a sell signal 30 days ago. The Bollinger indicator, on the other hand, provided a buy signal just 1 day ago. The short-term moving average also gave a buy signal 5 days ago. However, the long-term moving average gave a sell signal 20 days ago. Looking at the relationship between the short and long moving averages, there was a buy signal 17 days ago. Now, let's shift our focus to the 12-month chart and see what it reveals. The short moving average gave a sell signal 22 days ago, while the long-term moving average signaled a sell just 3 days ago. Interestingly, the relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 59 days ago. Don't forget to visit our page at StockInvest.us for more insightful signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for Palantir. When it comes to support, Palantir has found a strong level at $15.73. This is important because when this support is tested, we can expect an upwards reaction and potentially a buying opportunity. So keep an eye on this level. Now let's talk about risk. Palantir is known for having average movements during the day, and with good trading volume, the risk is considered to be medium. This means that there is potential for both gains and losses, so it's important to stay cautious. Looking at the stock's recent performance, we can see that it has had a daily average volatility of 2.65% over the past week. This means that the price has been fluctuating, providing opportunities for traders. Let's start by discussing some important fundamental data before we explore the potential trading levels for Palantir. One crucial metric to consider is the price-to-earnings ratio, or PE ratio, which compares a company's current share price to its per-share earnings. Palantir currently has an extremely high PE ratio. While this suggests a possible overvaluation, it is not uncommon for tech companies or those with significant market potential to have such high ratios. Moving on to other news, the upcoming earnings report for Q4 2023 is expected on February 12, 2024. Analysts' consensus estimates for earnings stand at $0.0800. These numbers can have a significant impact on stock prices, so it's important to keep an eye on them. Today, we'll be discussing potential day trading levels for Palantir. If we see an upward trend, the first resistance level for Palantir is at $17.84. If you don't currently own any shares, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before entering a position. However, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. On the downside, Palantir encounters its first support level at $15.73. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, with the anticipation of a rebound. The analysts' consensus on Palantir is a buy. Now, let's take a closer look at some recent insider trades. On December 6, 2023, Planishek Heather A. sold 27,608 shares of Class A common stock. On December 1, 2023, Schiff Alexandra W. sold 4,000 shares of Class A common stock. On December 1, 2023, Moore Alexander D. sold 21,900 shares of Class A common stock. On December 1, 2023, Cohen Stephen Andrews sold 500,000 shares of Class B common stock. On December 4, 2023, Cohen Stephen Andrews sold 156,100 shares of Class B common stock. Based on the 100 most recent insider trades, the insider power ratio is calculated to be -22.007. In the last 100 trades, insiders purchased 8,155,717 shares and sold 13,173,755 shares. We currently have a negative evaluation for this stock and want to provide an update for our viewers. Is Palantir stock a good buy? Despite the positive trend, the Palantir stock holds several negative signals, leading us to believe it will perform weakly in the next few days or weeks. Therefore, our evaluation of this stock is negative. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements during the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, January 4th, we anticipate Palantir to open up $0.0700 and start trading at $16.16. Before we begin, it's important to remember that trading carries a high risk of financial loss. It's always advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any investment decisions. At StockInvest.us, we provide information to assist you, but it's crucial to understand that your investment choices are your own responsibility. Welcome to Stock Invest. In this video, we'll be discussing our current view of the stock. We value your opinion, so don't forget to comment below and share your thoughts. We're also curious to know your target for the stock. If you find this content helpful, remember to like and subscribe to our channel. As always, we wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.